THKAILAR thumb drive. Comes in a 32 gig to 1 terabyte. This is a 256 gig thumb drive. You could put anything on it from files, business, personal work. You don't have to carry, one of these portable hard drives anymore. Everything's right here. Nice and small and compact, fits in your pocket. So what we're going to go do is load this up, put some files on it, and get going. USB 3.0 and high-speed USB flash drive. Simply pop up in the back. You could put a leash on it. It is a USB-A with the cover and a USB-C as well. So what we're going to do is use the USB-C, plug this in, and load some files. Simply take your thumb drive, find a port that's empty, plug it in. Immediately it comes on as the THKAILAR D drive. And all we need to do here is just come make a new folder, put a name to it, and then what we're going to do is come over here, take these files, bring it on in, and it loads right up. Don't lose the cover. You have the drive. You just simply, once it finishes loading, you take it out, bring it to wherever you need to be at, and off you go. We're all done. When you finish, simply unplug. Everything shuts off, put the cap back on, and you could put this either way, close one or close the other. Put it in your pocket, do what you want with it. And when you see your friend and you have to give them some information for business, whatnot, you have a drive. Great to transfer your camera, your phone, whatnot. I hope you enjoy your product. This is what you are after. Depending on the size you like, from 32 gig to 1 terabyte, these things are great. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for to take storage with you.